everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $352 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. First, going to start off in my wallet. I already figured that amount out. It's $170, and that is going to go into these categories that I always have in my wallet. So spending is going to get 30 this week, eating out 30, groceries 80, coffee 20, and then buffer will get $10. So that is a total of $170 for my weekly spending in my wallet. Okay, now let's get into the savings challenge first. Okay, I'm having like an ant problem. So if you see like an ant coming around here or there, excuse that because I'm trying to fix that. I don't know, it's been getting hot. I've never had ants in this place, and this is the first time I've had ants just kind of scouting. All right, we're just gonna deal with it. It is what it is. It's summer, so it's hot. And they're trying to, I don't know what they're trying to do. Okay, so we have Hello Summer. Another reason to dislike summer. So we'll get some dice. I think I will roll 2 times for this challenge. Let's see what we get here. So we have 4 and 1. Which is a watermelon, and that is $2. $2. Where'd my sticky note go? I just pulled my sticky note. Oh, here it is. Okay. $2. I have to start calculating things too. Okay. Next is 4 and 5. 4 and 5, which is the beach ball. That's $3. Okay. So I'm putting $5 total in this challenge. Perfect. All right, so I want to get that one out of the way first, just that way, because that one's a roll the dice one. That one, you know, I like to just get that one out of the way first. Actually, put these in here. I always forget to put these in here. Little sticky notes. Okay, so that is done. Let's go to, let's see, 252 minus 170 minus 5. Okay, doesn't leave me with a lot left, only because, I mean, it is a lot, but I have so many envelopes. I have so many envelopes to put money in. So we're gonna be very strategic with this amount because it will go fast. All right, so first one is I'm gonna do 10 in extra savings. 10 in month ahead. Okay, where am I at in subscriptions? I have 103 in subscriptions. I think I need 140 by next month. Next week, I'll be able to hit that because thanks to all of your guys' views, I get a really nice YouTube paycheck next week. So I think I can hit that amount next week. So I'm not gonna do that as a priority. What's another one that I want as a priority? Oh, auto. Let me do auto. 10. Those will be my priorities. Yeah. Okay. All right. Electronics is just gonna get 5. Lots of 5s. Lots of 5s. Emergency 5. Next month this will become a priority again. Furniture 5. Rainy day 5. Registration 5. Road trip 5. Scentsy 5. Subscriptions 5. And travel 5. Okay. I think that's enough for what I have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 30, 40. Barely. Okay, it's gonna work. It's gonna work out. Which one do I have next? Okay, clothing. Although I did want to put more in beauty. $30. I need some new face stuff, and it's one of my more expensive items that I buy. So I think it's like 80 bucks. I have 30. I'm gonna put 10 in here. All right, Costco's not getting anything. It has 29. did I plan on going to Costco this week? I really don't want to go to Costco. I don't know. We'll keep that for next week, maybe. Family's getting 5. Gifts is getting... Oh, I might come back to this one. 5. Home is getting 5. Oh no, I have nothing in household. I need to put 10 in here. It's kind of important. Pantry's fully funded at 30 right now until I spend from it. And then Target will get 5. All right. Okay. Next binder. Disneyland. Oh, I'm going to Disneyland next week. I have 25. Okay, I have 25. I have next week also to cash stuff before I go. I also have some rewards points that I can use. I should be fine. Okay, so $5 in here. Treat yourself, 5. Fun, 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas, 5. Holiday decor, 5. Okay, tires is already fully funded at 600. All right, that leaves me with 27. So for savings challenges, so this challenge is just gonna get 5, and then hopefully with some of the leftover money, I don't have a lot of leftover money yet right now. I have a little bit, but whatever I have left over, whatever I don't spend today, I don't think I'm spending any of it today, but whatever I don't spend, I will put into this challenge. I'll help it out a little bit more. So for now, it's getting 5. All right, $5 in there. I have a couple of challenges here. So this challenge, let's see, what's the number? Let's do $1. No, we'll do 2. No, I'll do $1. I'll do $1. I'll plan for $1 on this one. This is Cash Dash 2. And then this challenge is a $10 challenge. Okay, I am gonna do 10 in this one. Okay. That leaves me, I could do 5, 5, and 1. So 5 in the $5 challenge. $5 in this challenge. $5 in the $10 challenge, which I will have to hopefully have extra money in here to put towards there. So 5. And then $1 in the $1 challenge that just collects once. Okay. Worked out. All right, that's fine. As long as it's something's going into the envelopes that I have here, that's all that matters. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is just double check my numbers, but I'll do that off camera. 352, that total is correct. So now I can do the denominations, which are basically just 10s and 5s. 10, I have a couple 5s here, 10, 5, 10, bunch of 5s here. 10, 5s, 10, 5s, a lot of 5s here. 10. All right, 1, 5, 5, 5, and 1. Easy. All right, so 50 times 1 is, I'm sorry, I'm counting the tallies. 1, 10s, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, what am I doing? I missed 20. 3, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Did I count? I feel like I counted wrong. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I did. All right, I'm gonna multiply these two numbers and then add everything together. So 50 times 1 is 50. 3 times 20 is 60. 10 times 11 is 110. 25 times 5 is 125? Question mark. Ooh, 25 times 5, 125, and 7. Oh my goodness, the ant's coming back. No, go away. All right, now I'm gonna add these all together. So 50, 60, 110, 125, and 7. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna write out my little sticky note, and then I'm gonna go to the bank, get this money, and then cash stuff for the week. So 50s, I need 1 for $50. 20s, 3. 10, 11, 110. 5s, I need 25. 125, and then 1s, I need 7, and that is $7. Total of $352. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna go to the bank, like I said, take this, get the money out, and then I'll be able to cash stuff for the week. All right, so that is my cash plan for the week. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're interested in this sheet that I use, any of the sheets I use in my videos, I made them, and they're available on my Patreon as downloads, all of them. So definitely check out my Patreon if you're interested in any of those items. But that is going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, give this video a thumbs up, hype it up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe. It helps out my channel a lot. And yeah, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.